to attract money into your life like a magnet. Save this affirmation and listen to it 10 times before going to sleep and upon waking up. I am a magnet for financial abundance and prosperity. Money flows to me effortlessly and in abundance. I attract opportunities that create wealth and success in my life. I release any limiting beliefs about money and embrace a mindset of abundance. I am deserving of financial freedom, and I use money wisely to create a positive impact in my life and the lives of others. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me, and I attract wealth in all areas of my life. Every day, in every way, I am becoming richer and more financially secure. Remember to repeat this affirmation regularly with belief and conviction, allowing it to sink directly into your subconscious mind, influencing every area of your life.